today we have JivaJet. JivaJet leverages cold atmosphere technology to treat dermatological disorders in small animals and to combat antimicrobial resistance. Please welcome Vikas Soni, CSO.
Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Vikas. Thank you for the introduction. So let me share a personal story and a bit of science. Our journey began with our cat, Precious Delilah, falling ill due to a bacterial infection that turned out to be an abscess. And despite multiple vet visits, expensive treatments, and failed attempts to medicate her, she refused to take the medications and she continued to suffer. This frustration led me, as a scientific officer and a scientist, to come up with a better solution. I'm Vikas Soni, the founder and chief scientific officer of JivaJet. The problem: 90 million US households have pets, but that's not the problem. 25% of US dogs and 15% of cats have skin infections annually. And 40% of MRSA cases require surgical intervention, costing around $2,000 per case. And that's too expensive, really expensive. And the biggest problem issue is antibiotic resistance. There is different types of antibiotic resistant infections, and they keep on increasing. And the treatments are ineffective because pets lick off the ointment. And as you can see in the video, our cat is licking off all the ointment. So the treatment was ineffective. So the solution we have is cold atmospheric plasma device. JivaJet originates its name from the Sanskrit word jiva, which means to breathe or to live. It is a non-invasive topical treatment application of cold atmospheric plasma on the skin by just hovering it over on the skin. And what's more, it's painless, it is safe, it is FDA tested and backed up by 25 plus patents. Here comes the best part. It is also FDA approved for treatment of human cancers. So to summarize, it is a lifesaver that literally looks like a lightsaber. So obviously our customers are veterinarians, and in the US there are 130K veterinarians. There's 40 cases, typical vet facility sees 40 cases per day, out of which 15 to 20% are for dermatological issues. But the current treatments fail, and traditional treatments are hard to administer. And this was also confirmed through the ICOR, National ICOR and Regional ICOR program through customer discovery. And this brings us to our beachhead market. So there are 30 to 40,000 vet clinics in the US, and we are currently focusing and targeting 2% of them in next 5 years, with a potential revenue of $11.5 million in the phase 1 itself. So we have some significant proven results. Just 1 minute of application, as you can see in the microscopic images, with plasma caused perforations in MRSA, as well as it also accelerates wound healing, as shown in the image towards the right, stained by green staining. So it basically, it's a dual action treatment by killing the bacteria as well as increasing, accelerating wound healing. So we are a B2B subscription-based model with a non-invasive treatment, providing different types of revenue for the veterinarian clinics by placing our device at $280 per month. And if you look at the projections, revenue projection is highly promising with a $10.5 million within the next 5 years. We have an excellent team of experts and advisors, industry mentors and plasma physicists, mentors, medicines experts, and also industry mentors guiding us through the commercialization of the technology. So currently we are committed to 1 million through friends and family round. We have successfully recently applied for a NSF SBIR grant. And we are seeking a 5 million safe round for commercializing the technology and also going through regulatory approval through FDA. And we are also open to other possibilities. The potential is to expand this in human healthcare as well in the future. The use of funds are going to be for R&D, marketing, and sales. With that being said, I would like to conclude. We are on a mission to transform vet healthcare, and if you really care about pets, please feel free to connect, and I would be happy to answer any questions at the table. Thank you.